Karthik. Welcome back to my Market channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how to promote your local business. It can be a restaurant or a brewery or like any other fitness center, chiropractic, any local business. And we are going to have two phases of this campaign. One is like we will do all the marketing in the Facebook, and then we will have the automated chatbot to follow with the to nurture the customers or the prospects. Okay, and for this, I'm going to create a messenger campaign. Messenger campaign is kind of a campaign which Facebook offers. Like when you go to your ads manager, you will just see. You can just click on the create campaign one and click the messages one. When you click the messages, you can name as you wish. Please follow your regular naming convention, so that when you can track the performance, or like you can use it for any future use or future reference. Okay. um and the key thing is like I will cover the key things, and so that the video won't be that longer. And I will quickly go to the pre-built setup which I have for this client. Say your campaign objective is like messages here, and the next key thing is like when you go to the ad set level, you have to ensure that in what platforms you are going to nurture the clients or the prospects. When they click on the message, when they click on learn more, or or whatever the call to action you refer, like send message, or for the messenger campaign, it has to go to messenger or Instagram or WhatsApp. For WhatsApp, you have to have the WhatsApp business verified, and let's stick with messenger and Instagram here. And you can do the targeting and the budget as you wish, and you can choose where go for manual placement or automatic placement as you wish. And then you have to create the ad for this ad set. I have created the ad already. This is for a brewery, so we have chosen the creative and the mm, ad copy carefully, so that we don't get into run into issues. And also I remember, like we have to carefully make the age targeting, because different countries have different age targeting for brewery companies. Some countries allow us to advertise over 21, and some countries like 18 or so. So please go through the Facebook policy and decide accordingly. This is how we have created the campaign, created the ad, and the call to action is like send message. And now comes the key part. This is like the message template. What is this? You might be, if you do like other kinds of advertising like lead generation or conversion or traffic, this could be very new to you. This is basically like a template we can create, and which would be the starting point for the bot to come in and to respond to the customers. Or like you can have a pre-filled FAQs to collect the customer informations like email ID, mobile number, or city, or whatever the informations you like to collect from the customer. I have there are like three ways you can create the message template. One is like start conversation with a key with a keyword, which I'm going to explain in detail. And the next two things are like generate leads and the advanced setup. Generate leads is like you can have a pre-filled questionnaire or pre-filled FAQs, and the customers can just tap or type their responses. If the answers like email ID, mobile number, city, name, that Facebook allow the customers to easily tap, and so our yield will be much larger. And if at all you go for multiple custom questions, the customers have to type in, which may reduce the number of results. So you ensure that you collect the vital questions you want to collect from the customers, and then nurture them through various other ways. And the advanced setup is like you have to copy from the platform like ManyChat a JSON code of all your flows, or the automated chatbot, which you for I can say, and copy that JSON code here, and that will have all the automated things ready, and it will respond to the customer appropriately. The main catch here with the JSON code is like, whenever you make the changes at the chatbot, you have to copy the code again, and you have to replace it every time you change the chatbot or the automated flow. What we used to do is like, we will have a standard keyword starter, so that for the customers, they can easily start the conversation, and then the ManyChat chatbot will come into place, and start responding to the customers appropriately. Use exist. I have already, since I have already created the template, I'm just showing you the various templates we have. Like my pogo is one such stuff. I will just edit it so that you can see what the customers will. Facebook will also show the preview of how actually the customer will look like. This is like the introductory text, which shows like, hi Karthik, it will automatically populate the customer name whoever comes in. Thanks for interest in, and please tap or type the my logo. Most of the time customers don't have to type, but as a safety measure, we can include this in case they don't see, or they can't click the my logo. They can just type at least and start the conversation. This is a safety measure only, and this is a quick reply we have created my logo, and this is it. When the customer just tap on it, it will initiate the automated chatbot flow from the ManyChat. Okay, this, and then you can publish it as you publish a standard campaign. You can set the budget, targeting, anything as you wish, and as the campaign demands. Now let's go to the ManyChat. Here is the main trick is as you might know, ManyChat is a versatile platform. We can build chatbots for Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and it's like, we can build like very complex chatbots, including various rules and sequences. And if I have to cover ManyChat, it will go for this video will go for hours and hours. I will cover some important topics, and how it's related to our existing campaign we created just at the Facebook. Okay, and these are like the growth tools ManyChat has. There are like multiple growth tools like messenger model, or like a keyword, or like a QR code. We normally generally use like 2 3 key growth tools. One is like the Facebook command tool, where say when you post an organic post, or like a paid, or like you promote a post, when a customer comments on it, that can be a trigger to initiate the chatbot response from the ManyChat. And that one is one of the key when we launch our organic post as well as the paid post. And then we will have the messenger model, that is like a pop-up which we can integrate with the client website. And then when whoever the visitor comes to the client website, will see a chat bubble, and when they clicks on it, they can just log in with their Facebook or credentials itself, and they can just start the conversation. And the next thing is like the keyword stuff. The keyword can be like the my logo. Here we have used the keyword called my logo, and this is how the if The message is my BOGO, and this is like a key value. You might know if you are aware of JSON and other the coding. This like you can just see it as on the left side. You can see the keyword, and on the right side it's you can assume it as like a flow, which would start the automated response from the chatbot. And MyBogo. When the customer taps on the MyBogo, it will automatically initiate the chatbot response from the ManyChat. This is the flow we have created. This is like a large flow, and at the end of the large flow, it will have another flow, which will ensure that it keeps engaging with the customer. There is a key rule you have to remember. Facebook allow us to engage with the customer only within the 24 hours of the last engaged time. Say if a customer has started conversing with us, we have to keep the conversation live so that we can reconnect with him. But if he some way stops the conversation, or he some way left the conversation, we have to try to reconnect with him within the last 24 hours. Otherwise we can't, as a business page, we can't reconnect with him through the organic means, or like the automated chat means. Then we have to re-engage with the customer through other ways, like sponsored message or some other way. Okay, and the last and fourth important growth tool is the QR code, which is very useful for local business. When you have multiple chains, you can create like QR codes for different locations, and then you can use the QR code, paste the QR code in that particular location, and the customers can just scan the QR code, and then immediately this automated chatbot will follow. This is like the custom sticker you can create with your logo also. This is like a custom sticker we have created for a particular restaurant. This is nothing to do with this client. This, like, I have just shown it for reference. You can download it and send it to the client, and the client can just print it and paste it in their doorstep, and whoever the customer walks in, they can just scan it, and this flow will start responding to the customers. And the keyword tool I have already shown you. And the messenger model is like, let me just show you the messenger model. Yeah. Or it will create a snip. It will show you a JavaScript snippet, and this is how this is how it works. It will pop up in their website, and the customers can just start the conversation by just clicking the start messenger out the gate, and then click the get started button and other things. How to set up this one? You have to just copy the install JavaScript code and ensure that you whitelisted your domains and ManyChat, so that you don't run into any issues. And then you can just type the install ManyChat snippet, just copy this code and mail it to the client, and the client can or if you have the access to their website, you can just log in and paste the code in the head section, so that it will start bringing more subscribers to the client. These are the four important growth tools: Facebook comment tool, and model, Facebook model, and keyword tool, and QR code. These are very popular. This brings us thousands of subscribers to our campaigns. And once we are done with this, you can just these are like the triggers to start the conversation, and then the conversation will go through. We can assign the tag, and we can collect the birthday information, and then on their birthday date we can send them some exclusive offers, so that the customers will get excited and walk into our restaurants. And this way we can keep them like a recurring customer, or like a repeated customer, to drive in and enjoy our offers. I will now show you how the actual offer how the actual conversation will happen. Sorry. Say this is like a key introductory message, and when the customer clicks on it, he can we will collect like the email address, and you can adjust the flow to collect the mobile number also, and the zip code. And then this is like a custom driven one. In the chatbot we have integrated custom fields. There are like two fields in the chatbots, like one is like bot field and one is like custom field. A custom field we can collect from the customers, and bot field we can pre-fill it and use it wherever you wish. And this is like, sorry, this is like this is the bot field, which will show like two tabs. Like one is like how can a customer reach that location. When they click on it, we have ensured that it shows the Google map, so that customer finds easily finds the location. And the other one is like the what are the menu available with the particular brewery or the restaurant. And then we will show the customer this offer. When the customer we have to ensure, like we put a disclaimer, like when they click on the redeem button, they have to be on the restaurant place, so that they can show the offer and get the discount coupon, or they can get this offer redeemed, and they can enjoy further offers once they redeem this offer number one, or like whatever the chronological order you have made the offers. And this is how the whole chatbot works. And as I told you earlier, once the first offer goes through, are done with, we will push them the second offer. But we have made a small delay for 22 hours to re-engage with the customer before the Facebook rule for 24 hours, and then we will push the second offer. ManyChat is a very powerful tool. Mm, you can connect with the customer not just through Messenger. You can also connect the customer with through SMS, email, and all other things. What I have built is like once the customer puts in their contact informations, we push it to the client CRM. We can Client may use any CRM. I have ensured like this is like that it's an outbound request to the client CRM. Even if the clients don't use the CRM, we can push it to a Google Sheet, and the clients can just see the available contacts, mm, in a simple Google spreadsheet itself. And there are like many custom things we can do with the chatbots. I hope that this chatbot and the Facebook campaign, messaging campaign, gives you a rough idea how you can promote your local business, be whatever it is, and get more subscribers to your and get more subscriber, and eventually the paying customers for you. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and keep coming back to this channel and enjoy your new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.